Okay, my friends, so in this video, I'm going to show you how the Forex Pro dashboard works and how you can use it to locate great trading opportunities in the Forex markets. Okay, so what you can see in front of you is the dashboard. Okay, we have a totaling system here that ranks the currencies from the strongest to the weakest. What actually happens is when the value goes above a certain number, for the higher band, it goes above 600. We will look for a selling opportunity, and when it goes below 200, we'll look for a buying opportunity. Okay, it actually just adds up all the values of the RSI across all the time frames and gives us a gauge of total market strength on that strength and weakness on that asset. Okay, if we look at the dashboard here, this is the Excel dashboard, we have three indicators we can choose from. We have the RSI, the stochastic, and the ADX. I use the RSI and the stochastic. The critical upper level is 80 for the RSI and the lower is 20. Like I said, the critical upper level, the total critical upper level for this template is 600 and lower 200. Okay, next, what we have here is the template feature. Okay, you can add all the symbols in here, but we have a template feature. So if you trade a different signal entry method than what I'm going to show you in this video, all you have to do is enter in your template there. And when you click on a time frame on the dashboard, it will automatically open up that chart window. Okay, so we will hit OK. Okay, and as you can see, the Euro Swiss franc is approaching a critical selling opportunity. Okay, when it goes above 600, the RSI indicator here is showing could be possible coming into a total extreme, or could keep going for a little bit further. But on the RSI dashboard, when it goes above 600, we are entering a nice area for a selling opportunity. Okay, so what we'll simply do is, okay, we were looking for a day trade. We'd look for, just click on the time frame, okay, like that, and it automatically opens up the chart, and we'll start looking for a divergence signal. That is if it's at the price of the values at the total extreme above 600. And what we can simply do here is go to the indicator section, go to the free FX ACE MACD SR, and again, all you have to do in here is select the time frames that you want to search signals on. You can set up email and phone notifications, push phone notifications. Okay, what you'll need to do is say we're looking for a selling opportunity here. We put a threshold within, we're at the extreme now, say we put a threshold of pips at this line, so say 20, 30 pips, and it will start looking for a signal when we insert the resistance line on the chart, and it will notify us of this. Okay, so what we'll have to do is go to the horizontal line and enter RES for resistance, and the indicator will automatically start looking for signals for us on that asset. Okay, so very, very powerful. If we look at the stochastic dashboard, again, it is different settings. The total critical upper levels are the same and lower levels the same, but the critical upper level is 90 and critical lower level is 10. Okay, you can see we are at the extremes on the AUD JPY, Euro JPY, USD JPY, okay, and CAD JPY. So the yen pairs are looking like we've got possible selling opportunities. So what we'll simply do here is click, say, on the 30-minute chart. Here you can see the total is above 600, and we can see if there is any selling divergence trades that have happened, which there haven't. So what we can simply do is put in our line here. We will label that RES, and say we want to take a signal on the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour charts. We'll go to the indicator, let's mark the R. We will enter in, say, 30 pips. So within 30 pips of that line, it will look for a signal, divergence signal for us on the 1 hour, 30-minute, and 15-minute chart. So very, very simple. You can select the divergence type, depending on what type of trading you're doing. you can set in the alert push notification or the alert email notification, so you get the alerts directly to your phone or email. And there, in the members area, there is a video on how to set that up. So that's it. First, I want to show you some trades that have happened that I am currently in. One of those is on the British pound. Sorry, the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, the Aussie Kiwi was a buying opportunity, a selling opportunity I took this morning, and the values are moving down. Okay, down towards the lower band now, but this morning it was up at the top, and you can see it's moving down. Click on the time frame, and you can see this morning. Sorry, that was on gold. Sorry, we need to click on the AUD JPY. You can see I'm actually still in this trade, and that was on a 1 hour divergence. Okay, so we were at the extremes up there earlier on, and if you're watching this on the sales page, you can see that in the images below. Also, you can see the gold trade that we took yesterday. Okay, it was on the 15-minute charts. Okay, this was the divergence signal. We were flashing on both the stochastic indicator yesterday and the RSI dashboard. The goal was heavily at the extremes. We just clicked over and we set our alert for a 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1 hour divergence signal, which happened, and we entered the market. So yes, the FaultX Pro dashboard, it takes out all the work for you. Again, gives us a total in a glance, allows us to gauge the market, to find the strongest pairs, the weakest pairs, critical breakout levels, and critical extreme levels. No matter what type of trader you are, what type of trading you do, if you've got a different signal entry method, or support and resistance, whatever, you can just simply enter your template in there, the name of the template, and it will automatically open up that template onto your chart. So hope this video helps, and I'm looking forward to hearing your results with the FaultX Pro dashboard. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com, and yeah, happy trading.